We have given table of temperatures in New York City and we have to find the median. To find the median, first we need to list the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. So how we write this number from the smallest to the largest? Because every numbers, the whole numbers has 2 digits only, so we have to choose the smallest. We have to check first the first digit, which will be the smallest, of course, 4. So this is the smallest number. Next, we have 50, we have 45, 59 and 58. So the smallest is 50, that will be the second. Next we have 54, 58 will be 59, and what else? We have 60 and 61, so the smallest is 60, so this is sixth number, and the last will be 61. So now we can write these values from the smallest to the largest. So we have 47.5, 50.6, 54.5, 58.8, 59.0, 60, and the last is 61.6. So what next? When we list this number from the smallest to the largest, next we have to count how many numbers we have in our set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 numbers. 7 is odd number. So when we have odd numbers, the median is the middle number. The middle number is 58.8. So the median will be 58.8. Of course, we have Fahrenheit degrees. So this is the median of the temperatures. This is my solution.